Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafika Yusna Siregar and I come from Faculty of Social and Political Studies Universitas Sumatera Utara, Medan, Indonesia, and my title for this research is Local Wisdom Representation in Advertising and the Social Change of Society. Okay, next introduction. The research is interested in analyzing Wonderful Indonesia, the Life of Aceh edition, which include local wisdom from Roland Barthes' semiotic perspective. And this research also aims to provide the description of Aceh local wisdom in finding denotative, connotative, and mythological meanings from the advertising. And in the last part, this research will discuss the social change happening in Aceh community. And this is the literature review, and the paradigm is constructivism, and these are the theories that I use. And method, I use qualitative method by focusing on document interpretative studies, and the object is advertising Wonderful Indonesia, the Life of Aceh edition, and analysis framework will analyze the local wisdom portrayed in the advertising as well as the social change, and two order of signification is used, including denotation, connotation, and mythological, and it will be further assessed using 5 major codes, including hermeneutic, proetic, symbolic, cultural, and semi-code, and data collections are documentary studies and literature studies. Okay, next, result and discussion. Result, this is there is Lexia analysis. Lexia analysis is telling about what the advertising shows to the people. Like there are 3 pictures in my research. The first picture is traditional house of Aceh. The second is traditional food of Aceh, and the last picture is hospitality towards guests. And reading code analysis. Reading code analysis, the first code is hermeneutic code. Hermeneutic code is telling about what people ask from the text or from the pictures. Like, for example, like why did the man wear the black attire? And then, why did the men wear traditional hat with color of red and yellow or gold? Why did they greet? And why food were served on the floor? Why did people sit also on the floor? Why did they eat by hands? Why did women wear scarf? And why the color scarf is blue and orange? And the second code is proetic code. This is telling about the answer from the hermeneutic code. Like, traditional attire for men is called linto baro, and this is traditional clothing for grown men during traditional ceremony or government-related events. And this is the traditional cloth of Aceh. And uh, traditional house is called Rumo Aceh. And both women wearing scarf is also part of the local autonomy granted to Aceh. Unlike other provinces in Indonesia, Islamic government is said to be upheld in Aceh to the extent regulating how women dress. Mature women are obligated to wear hijab or veil whenever they are outside doing their activities in Aceh. And the third code is symbolic code. Symbolic code is telling about what the picture shows to us. There are a symbol of the advertising, like traditional housing and eating custom are the symbol from studied in this research. And the genomic code or cultural code is telling about what people do in the advertising is part of the Aceh cultural, and they have did the all of the activities uh, from the past. And semicode is which means this is the connotative meaning, and explain all of the meaning from the text or from the picture in this advertising. And discussion is telling about the mythological meaning from all of the pictures, like the myth made Rumo Aceh as the place to stay with distinct notion of no chair and table to welcome and honor the guests, become the identity of the community. But the fact is the modernization process make the traditional way of serving food to be irrelevant, as peer now considered timely, inefficient, and one of the consequences is lack of gathering time. The modernization of eating utensil is more interesting than preserving old ways of food serving to the guests. And the last about discussion conclusion is the advertising wonderful Indonesia, the Like of Aceh edition show traditional house, attitude of serving food, and this is denotation part of the advertising. The connotation meaning is local wisdom of Aceh province that practiced during generation in order to preserve it, and all elements on the advertising is the result of construction from existing reality. Thank you very much.